Hey, hi,
Hi,
Isha. How are you?
how are you?
I am super. How are you?
I'm great. I'm glad you
Okay.
sent the request because I was not being able to figure out how to. So,
See, it happens. Miracles happen like that. I read you already then. So, Isha, I know I was just trying to, we know you as a nice, bubbly, cute actress, bubbly, my active, all that in characters. But when I started, to know about you more, I tell you, I got to know is, of course, you're actress, activist, activist, painter, poet, wrote a book, you talk a lot, you've been in a lot of motivational speaking. Where should I pull stop? Should I comma? Where is it all
I
going?
just want it all. There's so much more to come yet. I just want it all. I'm too greedy.
I greedy for good work.
I'm just too greedy to stay busy at all times, and I mean it. This is the motto of my life. I
Oh,
get I get really anxious if I'm not doing anything in a day. I have to be doing something in a day. I have to plan my day. And doing doesn't mean that I have to be doing work. I could be,
hmm.
spending time with family. I could be spending time with a good friend. I could be just visiting, an old age home or these NGOs that we are associated with. But I have to be doing something in a day. Or I could be doodling that entire day. But the end of the day has to be that, oh, I did this. So yeah, I'm just too greedy.
Yeah, greedy for good work. I'm sure it is. but Isha, mana normal before Corona, the days were all nice, common thing. Actually, how they was. Appudu ఇన్ని వర్క్స్ అంటే ఓకే బట్ ఇప్పుడు లాక్డౌన్ లో కూడా మరి ఈషా జాబ్ లో ఎట్లా బిజీ పెట్టుకుంటుంది ఏం చేస్తుంది మరి టు కీప్ అస్ అప్ బిజీ
అంటే యాక్చువల్లీ లాక్డౌన్ లో ఇంకా చాలా వర్క్ ఉంది చేయాల్సింది అంటే లాక్డౌన్ లో ఎక్కువ బిజీ అయిపోయాను నేను ఫ్రాంక్ చెప్పాలి అరే మరి జాడు పోచా కూడా చేయాలి కదా మీరు చేయట్లేదు జాడు పోచా మనం చేయాలి వంట మనం చేయాలి అదే అండ్ ఐఎమ్ అన్ obsessive cleaner so
ఓ మై
first
గాడ్ యు హ్యావ్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ సో సారీ ఫర్ యూ
I can go to people's houses and clean it for them. I'm that obsessive. Like my friends clean their houses the day I'm visiting because they know that she'll start picking things and she'll be like, okay, can we arrange it here? And so
I'm
yeah,
sure
so
your
I
friends must
was,
be feeling we are the luckiest friends in the world who has an OCD about cleaning.
yeah, I mean, yeah, they can misuse it.
Oh, good. So good to know that. And firstly, I wanted to talk about was I recently about your recent interviews I followed. You're speaking about a depression helpline that you could
Right,
help people about around. So which I thought very thoughtful and definitely as you said that people are depressed they can't reach out for their friends or relatives or somebody dude help me that I'm depressed dude save me they can't do
right,
that so your helpline, how is it
right.
going to work and any details about it?
So, Nehagar, what we've started doing right now is basically we've started working with migrants currently. We're working with
Okay.
migrants because a lot of them are back in village. I mean, we think that depression hits only us, but they're the ones who are actually struggling.
Correct.
మనం ఇంట్లో కూర్చుని హ్యాపీగా ఎప్పుడు లైవ్ చేస్తున్నాం
Hmm.
ఇందాక మీరు అంటున్నారు సినిమా చూడొచ్చు ఇది చేయొచ్చు అది చేయొచ్చు
Hmm.
కానీ they're really striving because they don't know what to do which direction to look into so we're basically working with them right now also we're working on a website portal where anyone can just write to us instead of setting up a helpline బికాజ్ ఒక హెల్ప్ లైన్ సెటప్ చేయాలంటే అది చాలా పెద్ద పని దానికి చాలా ఫండ్స్ కావాలి అట్ ఆల్ టైమ్స్ మనకి స్టాఫ్ కావాలి టు అటెండ్ కాల్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ సో మనం ఒక వెబ్సైట్ పోర్టల్ డిజైన్ చేసాం ఇన్ దాట్ యూ
Hmm.
కెన్ రైట్ టు అస్ there are counselors who will be there to support you through emails and if they feel that you need proper counseling then we can do it on a web call or something because right now counseling is happening on web calls. So
Yes.
yeah,
That's really very
so
thoughtful and very it's gonna help a lot of people, I'm sure. That's a great
I
initiative.
I hope so. Yeah, I hope
Yes.
so. I think, I
Yeah.
mean, it's just, I feel it's just that we're very few listeners in the world right now. So,
I mean I totally agree on it. I would say like countable
yeah,
listeners around
right.
us. Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah,
So
we're
I
just paying for a
yeah.
counseling session for somebody to hear us out. That's about it.
Absolutely true. I know. I had this experience of, I got to hear that they're going for counseling, and also what is it actually happens in the counseling, and we just express, they give suggestions like, dude, you have friends for it. So like, why can't you do that with your friends? Right?
Yeah, but your friend cannot pull out a cognitive behavioral reaction and,
Exactly.
pinpoint and say that, listen, this is what you're suffering with, and you need to let go of this, or this is your pattern. Even if they do, you are not going to listen to them, right?
Correct. ये तो सही बात है.
And
Absolutely.
and it doesn't work that way, that just pull yourself up, let's go out, let's get a let's watch a film, let's get a drink. It doesn't work that way. It's going to come back, right? So till you don't deal with it, it's going to come back. So I think it's professional help is something that we should really consider. I don't know why there's a stigma attached to it. Counseling is nothing major. It's I think everybody needs counseling most of the times, and we need it because we are not talking about it even
Exactly.
more. Yeah.
Exactly. It's an every other disease that you actually get it. So you just have to go through it and sort out your mental health, make it into a stable set.
Right.
Okay. So before we move on to
Right.
something, there's a lot of fans. You're saying hi, hi, hi. And just say hi. Just wish them
Hi.
were there.
I'll have to wear my glasses to read the messages, so I'm not wearing. If you are going to read all the messages.
Yes, I am. I am going to do that. Super, super. So and okay, so let's just get into a little bit of your movies right now. So because everybody was asking about
Yeah.
the movies, a lot of people's question till now so far was like, when are you coming onto the big screen again? When is your next movie? So any updates about your movies? These are a lot of questions, repeated questions. So answer that, please.
Yeah. So I signed up a web series in Hindi, which మనం already ఒక schedule shooting start చేసాము just before lockdown. అది because of the lockdown we had to stop. So
Okay.
అది మళ్ళీ సెప్టెంబర్ అంటున్నారు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ షూర్ మళ్ళీ
Oh.
సెప్టెంబర్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అని అంటున్నారు, కానీ I don't know. If it does, if it doesn't, we'll see. But end of this year, definitely we'll start working on it. Also, there is something in Telugu which I'm dying to share, but my hands are tight. Yeah, I know. But let's
Not
do
fair.
yeah. There is something for sure.
No, not fair. It's like, showing laddu and like keeping it in front of your mouth and it's like, nahi khana hai, main kha lungi.
I know I'm going through that, so I thought I'll share it with you. That I'm also suffering. You should also.
But that's okay. Thanks for letting
I
us know
told
that
you.
you're Telugulo vastunnaru. We are happy about that.
Yeah.
Really happy.
Yeah.
So, bro, I
I'm
have a
too
small.
excited about that.
Yes, and I have one question that I really wanted to ask you is, so so far you did like 7 movies, if I'm not wrong, right? 7. So ఈషా కి ఆ మూవీస్ అన్నిటి గురించి చాలా చోట్ల ఇంటర్వ్యూలలో మాట్లాడేసింది ఈషా. బట్ ఇప్పుడు నేను అడిగే క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, 7 మూవీస్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ నేమ్స్ గుర్తున్నాయా? యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్ నేమ్స్.
అయ్యో బాబోయ్, అవును, ఐ థింక్ సో. మీకు గుర్తున్నాయో? మీరు తీసుకుని యూ హ్యావ్ ఇట్ విత్ యూ, రైట్? సో
I
ప్రేమ
wrote them
కావాలి,
down.
ప్రేమ
టైటిల్ లోనే ఉంది కాబట్టి.
పూల రంగుడు అనిత,
యా
కరెక్టేనా?
కరెక్ట్.
శ్రీమన్నారాయణలో ఏముంది? అసలు ఎవరు పెళ్ళలేదు నన్ను.
అసలు పిలవలేదా?
వన్ సెకండ్ I'll tell you. We'll go to the next.
ఓకే. మిస్టర్ పెళ్లి కొడుకు.
I'll have to wear my glasses. I need
So
to
that
think.
somebody could message, so that somebody could text it and you could read that out. No, it's not gonna happen. ఎవరైనా అక్కడ ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా పేరు పెట్టేస్తే మీరు చదివి చెప్తారు. వద్దు, స్పెట్స్ తీసేయండి.
ఎవరు పెట్టలేదు, హీరోస్ నేమ్ అడుగుతున్నారు. Hero's name gurtni. Don't ask their character's name now.
Okay, let's jump to another one. Jump Jilani. Come on. Okay.
I'm having a memory block right now.
Okay. You did also this Kannada movie, right? The next one.
Yeah. That also I don't remember. Yeah.
Okay. The last
The film
movie,
name is Virat.
Yeah, Virat.
Ramba Urvashi Menaka didn't happen. So even
Yeah,
if
it
I
didn't
had a
happen.
character name, does it? That one I remember though. It was Mimi. Although everybody thought Ramba Urvashi Menaka meant that our character names are that, but that wasn't the case. It was actually Ram, and everybody started calling it Ramba Urvashi Menaka. So yeah,
Is
it had
it?
another.
Oh my god. So అసలు దానికి పేరు రంభ ఉరుసి మేనక అని పెట్టలేదు, రమ్ అని పెట్టారు. So people declared
అవును.
the name.
Ramba Urvashi Menka, because there were, but everybody said because there are 3 characters and everything, but we were 4 characters.
Yeah.
So
That
Trisha,
was
Charmi, Nikisha, and myself.
yeah. So but people created it Ramba
But
Urvashi
yeah, people
Menaka.
just decided. I think they wanted to just see us like that, so they said, "Let it be Ramba Urvashi Menka." But that one I remember, it was Mimi.
Mimi.
But how I don't remember Jump Jilani and all. I'll remember while talking, I'm sure.
So meanwhile people will send it, so you'll read. అదే కదా.
No, I will.
Okay, I'll give you a little bit like clues ఇస్తాను. శ్రీమన్నారాయణకి వెళ్దాము. Okay, starts with B.
Bhanu.
Okay, so next, Mr. Pellikoduku. There's a very evergreen hit song on this name. Na 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 na. I can't do it with my throat. Okay, that is.
It starts with
A.
Anita नहीं है ना दोबारा?
नहीं, अनीता एक ही बार था ना, अनीता.
Okay. I'm trying to go back to the scenes. Anjali.
It's a stupid thing I was done. It's like, I'm only telling you.
I'm like, okay, what is she doing? Let me wear my glasses. Listen, you tell me I have to wear my glasses or no? Let's decide on that first.
Okay, last one. Jump Jilani. No, there isn't Virat also. Okay, Jump Jilani lo starts with M.
Madhavi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I remember. It's just suddenly you asked. I wasn't prepared for the test. And Virat is Preeti.
Wait, let me check who texted it. Let me check.
Nobody texted. I remembered. No.
Okay, that's sweet. So good job. You remember all of them. That's nice.
Yeah, with a few hints, but yeah, that's still okay. It's been quite a few years.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so all these beautiful movies, good characters that you have played. What probably even okka character would have been special and close to your heart or something that okkasari laga flashback loki vellagane that you remember the most. Even on the laga favorite character that you played.
So Tanu Weds Manu remake Mr. Pellikoduku character నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. అంటే ఆ సినిమా నేను సైన్ చేసింది ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ కోసమే. So తర్వాత విరాట్ లో ప్రీతి క్యారెక్టర్ ఆల్సో I really like. It's quite a she's this outrageously bold girl and she doesn't care, and I love that character. I wish we were all so free in life.
Absolutely, we're supposed to be. That's how supposed to be. Usual ga Isha Chawla దగ్గరికి ఎవరైనా స్క్రిప్ట్స్ తీసుకొని వస్తే when you're listening to the script, Isha Chawla మెయిన్ గా చూస్ చేసుకునే పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి? ఓకే, దీస్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, సో ఓకే ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ మూవీ, ఐ లైక్ దీస్ అని అనుకున్న పాయింట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటాయా? జడ్జ్మెంట్
అంటే there has to be something in the film. Either it has to I feel that it has to bring out some emotion in your life. Either it should make you cry, or it should make you happy, or it's just an out and out entertainer. So as long as that resonates with me, and I'm not being placed there just for the sake of it, I'd take up the film. If
Okay.
I'm, as long as I'm relevant to the film, I'll take up the film.
Ah, okay, that's nice. Some mark has to be made.
Yeah, I mean, it's not even about making a mark. I could be playing a 5 minute character, that's not a problem. But I should be relevant to the script. So I always ask the directors during the narration that why me? Why would you pick me for this character? So if, I don't want to, this is something that I wish happens, that I don't want to do a film where, you're replaceable. Anyone can do that. So if the director resonates with me playing that character, then it's worth it, because it's a lot of getting into the character, and you'll start loving the character. Uh, so yeah, somebody asked that, Isha, are you really smoking? Am I?
What?
There's some smoke coming here. I don't
Excuse
know.
me? Really?
Oh, I think he means Mr. Pelli Kodku, was I really smoking?
Probably that might be
Yeah,
happening, because
yeah,
Pelli Kodku question was scrolling a lot.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You realized it now? You're asking her now this question? Okay. Okay. So, okay, you're telling about the characters, that's how you choose. But I must say, but after you're
Yeah.
telling that, Isha, ఎవరైనా కానీ థ్యాంక్స్ డైరెక్టర్ నన్ను క్యారెక్టర్ చూస్ చేసుకున్నారు, ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ అని ఫీల్ అవుతారు. కానీ నువ్వు ఒక్కదానివే అనుకుంటా, లైక్ వై మీ, వై నాట్ సంబడి ఎల్స్?
I've actually suggested other actors also, huh?
No, I didn't expect this. No way.
No, I have. You can ask the people who come on narrations. I've actually suggested that, I think this person would fit it better. So yeah.
Ishika, this entertainment. Isha, I'm like, Isha, like confused. Like, what's
It's all
happening?
right. Yeah.
No. In the entertainment industry, we wanted to make our name, image, do a lot of work, do a lot of movies, make our mark and go. So, nee daggar ki offer vachinappudu, then you are like, you suggested somebody else, though the person came for you.
Yeah, but yeah, I've suggested people's name. That's how I function. I tell directors if I don't like the script also, and why I don't like it. So
Wow.
that's how I function. And I'd love to function like that always.
Wow, that is really nice. So, at this point, I really wanted to know in future, in going ahead, what are your movies plans? What are your entertainment career plans?
Actually, మిమ్మల్ని నేహ అని పిలవచ్చా? నేహ గారు
Neha,
చాలా
absolutely, please.
odd.
నాకు సూట్ కూడా అవ్వదు. సూట్ కూడా అవ్వట్లేదు.
So Neha, I never came to the industry planned anything. I was doing theater in Bombay, and that is when I was ఎవరైతే నా ఫొటోస్ చోటా గారికి పంపారు, చోటాకి నాయుడు డిఓపి, ఆయనకి ఎవరు ఫోటో పంపారు, and I didn't have a professional photo shoot done also. సో నేను ఇలా ప్లాన్ చేసి ఇండస్ట్రీకి వెళ్ళి సినిమాస్ అంటే సినీ యాక్టర్ అయిపోదాం అని అలా ఏం ప్లాన్ చేయట్లేదు. ఐ లవ్ యాక్టింగ్, ఐ థ్రైవ్ ఆన్ దాట్. I've always stayed connected to acting. If I'm not working on stage myself, I'm doing theater with kids or something. So that time also I was doing theater, and honestly I was a little skeptical about getting into films, because we all coming from a middle class family and everything, the fear untundi, and manaki ever support ledu idi ani parents feel avtaru. So I had this thing. I said, I just want to act, don't worry. I'm going to do theater and I'll survive on my own and everything. So this happened, Prema Kavali happened, and post that, films happened, and I've never planned anything. I just do things randomly. So I've not planned how my career should go. I just want to do films. I want to do, I just want to act. That's all that I want to do. I just want to be able to entertain as much as I can, wherever it is.
That's really nice. So good to know. That's clear. But coming up 5 years, 10 years, Isha's plans enti, life plans?
I'll be still acting. That something I can assure you.
Great. Thanks.
Wherever it is, I'll be still acting. If like I said, if nothing else, I'd be back on stage. I'd be doing theater. I'll make my own YouTube videos and act and put it out.
Whatever may,
But
but Isha is not moving away from the camera.
no, I love the camera, and I'm going to always be acting. So, so 5 years later, that is going to happen for sure. I've also explored ఒక writing ఇది explore చేశాను life లో.
Yes.
I'm enjoying doing that. So let's see. I hope something can come out by then.
Okay.
There is something already in the, there is something already almost ready. We're in talks. Let's see if that comes out.
Is it like a movie story or something?
No, that is movie stories. This is beyond that.
What? Beyond that?
Beyond that. This is pure storytelling. This is pure storytelling where you put out
And
your
another
heart.
book?
ఇది బుక్ కాదు యాక్చువల్లీ. నేను పెద్ద బుక్ ఏం రాయలేదు, మీరు రాశారని చెప్తున్నారు కానీ పెద్ద బుక్ ఏం రాయలేదు. నా పోయమ్స్ బుక్ ప్రింట్ అయింది అంతే.
Yeah, they got out. They came out.
Don't ask me to recite a poem.
ముందుగానే చెప్పేసుకుంటున్నారు అడగద్దు అనేసి.
అంటే నాలాంటి పర్సన్ కి, అంటే నా క్యారెక్టర్ పేర్స్ గుర్తులేదు, ఇప్పుడు పోయం డిసైడ్ చేయమంటే ఎలా గుర్తుంటుంది?
No, that's not exactly. But Isha, మనం ఈ టాక్ లో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి I just thought of ఇప్పుడు like poetry, books, activist, actor, what not. So అసలు యంగ్ ఏజ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు wherever you're in teens that you dream a lot about your future, అప్పుడు అసలు ఈషా చావ్లా ఏం అవ్వాలనుకుంది? మమ్మ ముझे ये बनना है, something like that. Oh my god, now to not.
Actually,
what is it? You really wanted to know.
So actually, I never had any ambition in life. అందుకే అంత ambitious గా ఎప్పుడు అయిపోయినా అనుకుంటా. సో మీరు చిన్నప్పుడు ఎవరైతే అడిగినప్పుడు మీరు ఏం అవుతారని అనుకుంటున్నారు, పెద్ద అయ్యాక ఏం అవుతారని అడుగుతారు కదా పిల్లలకి. So I always had a different answer. So I think that's why maybe I chose acting, because every time you're a different character. But I really wanted to do psychology and become a counselor. But I don't know if I would have survived that. I don't know. Probably the counselor would have been taking counseling herself. I would have been sitting like this taking counseling myself. So yeah, but I've always had, I want to be this today and I want to be that tomorrow. But it was only in college that I did a theater, I did a play with the college theater group. Appudu, that was the moment when I realized that this is what I want to do really. This is what I thrive on. So yeah, appudu elli naanaki cheppanu and వెళ్ళిపో అని చెప్పేసి, ఫస్ట్ ఫినిష్ your graduation, then we'll talk అని చెప్పేసి
పంపించేసారా?
He said it's, every day she's changing her mind. Today she's saying I want to become an actor. Tomorrow she'll say no, that was something I was saying. So he said just go do your graduation. And I was studying political science. So, he's like, what is the logic and connection between political science and acting?
Now I've got confused, like कौन सी तरफ का क्वेश्चन पूछूं मैं? Political science, arts, theaters, what?
जवाब मेरे पास किसी का भी नहीं है, कुछ भी पूछ लो.
Oh
my
god. Okay, now I'll just go through few of highs and hellos, because everybody was asking, please read my message and all. Okay, so yours truly, Sai Kumar says next movie. Yeah, she already answered about it. And Uma Maheshwari, somebody is sending so much of love that she loves you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah,
I love you right back.
So many people saying hi. Dilip Kumar says, Isha, enta beautiful ga undi me smile.
Thank you.
Okay. And Isha, you are a genuine person who speaks from heart without fake emotions. Hema says that.
Thank you. I hope that continues.
Rise up your hands for what? Okay, sorry.
Huh?
Prema Kavali is my favorite movie, Madam Isha Chawla, Mahesh Bharadwaj.
Thank you. Thank you, Mahesh. That's one of my favorite films also. That's a very special film actually to me.
I am Prashant also
Always
says
good.
I am expecting one more movie like Prema Kavali.
అయ్యో అదే కష్టం ఇప్పుడు కాలేజ్ కిడ్ ఎలా ఇది ఇట్లా అవుతాను నేను సారీ టఫ్ మేబీ
No,
MBA students or doctorate we can be PhD students yeah.
How sweet that you are like, you know, no more that. I can better implement it into, I'll tell to the director only. So doctorate, PhD.
If you now I can't play teams Naya. Let's be realistic.
That's what I'm like surprised. How nice of you that you're accepting it.
Yeah, I mean, I have not grown from there mentally, but still, I can't play that anymore.
Yeah. Now this makes sense. Correct. So Sudhir is asking, what's your favorite song in Prema Kavali movie?
I actually really like Priyatama, but everybody likes Manasanta Mukkal Chesi. So yeah. I love that song, Priyatama Hridayama. Yeah.
Can you? We also
No.
into a little bit of singing and all. You like singing, so
I don't like singing. People want me to sing. I don't know for what reason. Everybody keeps telling me, please, every live, everyone's saying, just sing. And I'm a terrible singer.
No, I must say it's because of the cute voice that you have, so people love to hear it from you. It's just that.
Neha, really?
Yes. I had to say I'm an anchor. I had to say, you know, cover it up into a good sense. It's my job.
Last live also they said no sing. I sang and then the anchor is only she's like okay I won't laugh and she's only laughing but I also laugh. That's okay.
I won't trouble you. But you know the mom's little kid says need you on screen.
I'll be back soon. Trust me on that.
Oh, definitely. And she's not gonna leave it. Like she's gonna be there forever.
Yeah. Thank you, Neha. That really means a lot.
I could see that in your confidence, you know, when you decide and you want it so much, we always keep working towards it. And no matter what, we'll find ways to our hard work to be there. So I can see that in you and all your motivational videos. Okay, rather than going into the question, yes, come, let me get into this topic. So you've been, you know, whenever you come live or when you give your speeches, you travel around on your, you know, NGOs or the helping for the society service and all. So you motivate, give motivation a lot, especially on decision making. I'm sure, right?
On decision making. Oh God, did you say decision making? How did you get that?
No, I went through a lot of your interviews and all. So this was something which you said in one of your interview that you spoke a lot about decision making at that point of time.
Yeah, because I'm the worst decision maker now. So they say you preach the best that you need to practice the most. So I can give you all guidance on decision making because all my decisions are quite a disaster most of the times.
See, probably that's how you become a like better person.
I'm experienced, you know. So
we can take whatever experiences that we want in our future can be gained from you because of the decisions that you made. So मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए तो ईशा चावला का सुनो बस.
Correct. So I always say in my decision making talk, I always say this one point that, you know, whether you know what you want or not is not important. It's always important to know what is it that you don't want. So, so I think that's what I tell everyone about decision making. So they don't want to end up making decisions like me. So that's why they should watch me.
True. You just said kada Isha that nee clarity undi that nee em vaddu that you're sure okay I don't want this if what adu naku enta pedda fruits istunna enta money istunna I'll say if I don't like it I don't like it. Right. So but that's where people compromise and make mistakes. No, ఇప్పుడు decision making wrong అని చెప్తున్నా you are a happy person is because you didn't do that you didn't like. You're a happy person.
Right. I love my sleep. So yeah, I just want to, every evening, I just want to go home and sleep peacefully. Never want to have that why did I do this? Yeah.
Regrets. No regrets in life.
Yeah, I think so.
It's okay. I believe when it comes to regrets, I believe at that point of time we definitely wanted to do that. So no regret now. You did it. It's over.
యా ఆల్సో నేహా ఐ థింక్ ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్ లో మనకి బెస్ట్ అనిపించిన యాక్షనే తీసుకుంటాం వీ నెవర్
తీసుకుంటాం.
డిసైడ్ టు డూ ద వర్స్ట్ థింగ్ రైట్ వీ నెవర్
Exactly.
చూస్ what we think is the best, we choose that. So I think it's very important to be kind to yourself also. um, we all make mistakes, and
Yes.
that is the universal truth. The best person or your idol ఎవరైనా వాళ్ళు కూడా ఏదో మిస్టేక్స్ లైఫ్ లో చేసి ఉంటారు, అందుకే వాళ్ళు మీ ఐడల్ అయ్యారు ఈరోజు.
Correct.
సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు యాక్సెప్ట్ యువర్ మిస్టేక్స్.
Yes.
దే ఆర్ ద మోస్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely true. Though they are sometimes hard, but they are really the bigger lessons. Just learn it.
Yeah.
Okay, and also got to know that you are pretty much interested towards this mythology and all the characters and all too.
Yeah.
Oh wow, perfect timing. I must say it's a perfect timing to bring it on.
టైమింగ్ వచ్చా మీరా?
So in one of the interviews that I followed of yours, ఏమన్నారంటే you said you're a Shiva Bhaktaralu.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then also you said you're also following this Buddhist things.
Buddhism. Yeah.
Buddhism. So what exactly that Isha believes in this and that, and what collided them, and what is na point ardham avaledu.
So yeah, నాకు కూడా అందుకే అంబిలి. So I mean, you know, ఇప్పుడు మైథాలజీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ వాట్ ఐ బిలీవ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ప్యూర్లీ మై అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఆఫ్ మైథాలజీ. ఇప్పుడు మన మైథాలజీలో ఆల్ గాడ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్, దే ఆర్ డిపిక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ అ పొటెన్షియల్ దట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ విత్ ఇన్ మై లైఫ్, రైట్? సో ఇప్పుడు ఎవరికి కరేజ్ కావాలంటే హనుమాన్ పూజ చేయమంటారు. ఓకే, మీకు స్ట్రెంగ్త్ కావాలంటే హనుమాన్ పూజ చేయమంటారు. కరేజ్ కావాలంటే దుర్గా పూజ చేయమంటారు. యునో ఫర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఫ్యామిలీ లైఫ్ శివ్ పార్వతి పూజ చేయమంటారు. సో బట్ శివ్, I've always been a follower of Shiv. So Shiv is the beginning and the end. You know, it's infinite. It's not limited to Om Namah Shivaya or something like that. It's beyond that. We start from here and we end there. Right?
Yes.
And
yes.
There is no beginning and end to say so. And Buddhism is a practice that speaks about the same thing. It says that you know, that life is eternal, and also it is basically everything is cause and effect. మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఏం కాజ్ చేశారు దానికి మీకు యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది.
అవును.
సో there are no two ways about that. ఇప్పుడు మనం శివ్ భక్తి చేస్తే మనకి దాని రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది, రైట్? అలాగే మనం బుద్ధిజం ఇస్ మోర్ యాక్షన్ ఓరియంటెడ్. ఇట్స్ సేయింగ్ టేక్ యాక్షన్. మీరు ఇఫ్ ఐ హేట్ యూ రైట్ నౌ, I'll definitely get the hatred back. There are no two ways about it. And Buddhism says that it is basically action is not in your you know, not doing, it's in your thoughts. So the first action is created in your thoughts. So even if I've thought of hating you, I've already created the action. So cause is created. So it's tough, but
no, but it's quite like, yeah, that's true kind of feeling.
So Buddhism basically talks about two things. One is impermanence of life, and second is cause and effect. So impermanence of life ante life lo emi permanent kaadu. So whatever you're wanting right now will not be there tomorrow.
Okay.
Is that making sense, or I'm scaring you?
Kind of scared me. You just scared me. Okay. So far it was so well, but like what I'm gonna love today is like not gonna be there tomorrow. Like no. I want it. I want it forever.
But you'll have it, but you won't want it tomorrow, right?
No, I want something it forever.
No, don't. You're mixing love with attachment, Neha. We can do a session on this. This is attachment. This is not love.
You got me. Yes, I agree. Are you? Yeah, okay. You're back. Clear, huh?
So yeah. So I was saying, don't mix love and attachment.
Got it. Got it. Totally, absolutely. Okay. So, you, sorry, but I can't help it. It's the topic and the term love has come. So, of course, everybody's there also behind, like, trust me, Isha, I'm not really too much into social media or following everybody and also. First thing when I was like, okay, we are doing interview with Isha Chawla, the first thing is like, first thing that I've searched for you is like, is she married? Like, she's not married. But Isha, what happened? Why aren't you married yet? Because that is where whole thing turns around when your fans, your work had been known. So why?
But marriage is not the end of it all, right?
Totally.
It's a part of your life, and
Yes.
I think
Malli buffering. I think తనకి ఏదో కాల్ వచ్చి ఉంటుంది. Noel, that's a nice thing. Yes, I know, same thing. Love without attachments. నేను కూడా అక్కడనే స్టక్ అయినా. బట్ ఒక పాయింట్లో చూస్తే మనం హ్యాపీ వాళ్ళు హ్యాపీ ఉంటారు అంటే కొంచెం నాట్ టు గెట్ టు అటాచ్డ్. ఓ మై గాడ్, యా. అయ్యో, ఈషా చావ్లా లెఫ్ట్ అని చూపిస్తుంది. ఐ థింక్ సమ్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అని వచ్చి ఉండాలి, ఆర్ తనకి ఏదైనా కాల్ వచ్చి ఉండాలి. టెక్నికల్ గ్లిచ్. ఎస్ Karan, I think so, but let me just check. She's not there on live at all. Okay, guys. So episode so far అయితే కొంచెం అన్ని టాపిక్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఈషా చావ్లాకి సంబంధించిన అన్ని టాపిక్స్ కవర్ చేయాలన్న ప్లాన్ లో, ఇంటెన్షన్ లో ఐ బీన్ టేకింగ్ అప్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్, డిఫరెంట్ టాపిక్స్ అన్నమాట. సో నేహ, మనం మాట్లాడుకుందామా? రంగారెడ్డి, ఓకే, సూపర్. నో ఐ థింక్ షిల్ బీ బ్యాక్. లేదు, రాలేదు. ఓకే, వరుణ్ ప్లీజ్ చూడవా ఒకసారి, గివ్ ఎ కాల్ టు ఇషా అండ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ వాట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ హ్యాపెనింగ్. సో తను నాకు లైవ్ కనిపించిన నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ పంపించేస్తా, బట్ తను నాకు లైవ్ కూడా కనిపించట్లేదు, అది మ్యాటర్. యా. సో మై నీస్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఈషా అంట. నిహారిక. ఓ యా, ఐ రిమెంబర్. కరెక్ట్. నీకు used to share the pictures and all also, Niharika, I remember. I love you, sweetie. And ma'am, your favorite player, Dhoni. Hey, Dhoni. Yes, indaka no question kuda pampicha. I was supposed to ask Isha also. And IPL chindi kada. Who's your favorite cricketer? And how do you feel about IPL? And who's your favorite cricketer? No, adige avana gurtu pettukunnanu. Dhoni. I'm gonna ask her that question. But my favorite player. Sudden గా రాదు, బికాస్ ఒక నేమ్ రాగానే టప్ప హియర్ యు గెట్ లైక్ ఆల్ దోస్ నేమ్స్ స్ట్రైకింగ్ అవుట్. సో మనం ఒక లైవ్ సెషన్ చేసినప్పుడు చెప్తాను నేను హూస్ మై ఫేవరెట్ క్రికెటర్ ఆర్ హూస్ మై ఫేవరెట్ టీమ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్. సో ఐ స్టిల్ డోంట్ సీ ఇషా. ఓ యస్, ఇషా ఇస్ దేర్. సో ఇషాకి నేను పంపించేస్తున్నాను రిక్వెస్ట్. ఇషా, ఐమ్ సెండింగ్ యూ. I am super happy, but it is interesting, like talking. Hey,
sorry.
It's okay, happens.
Sorry, this person was calling frantically. I had to say that I'm in a live session. Stop.
उठाओ, लेकिन मेरा लाइव में हो, फोन रखो बस.
So yeah, a delivery is coming and they want to figure out the address. I said, seriously?
Okay, happens. Yes, and yeah, we were going in that topic. Okay, so let's just come out of the topic then, because I know that's going to be a never-ending discussion on when it comes to marriage, love, attachments and all. But I would being a girl, that in our society, in our culture especially, we all have this girl have to get married at this point of time, have to have kids at this point of time, at this point of age, and nahi to log kya kahenge, sab and all. I'm asking you this question particularly because Isha, you've been into this entertainment industry and you have a voice people would listen, and
right.
You are really into good motivational speaking and also I wanted to know your version of you telling out to the girls out there.
But Neha, first thing, it's Kishorda's birthday also. Kuch to log kahenge, logo ka kaam hai kehna. So let them.
Wow.
But I have to say that marriage, Anidhi, it's a very important decision, and I think I'd rather get married late than get married to the wrong person. This shouldn't be taken because it's about time, it's age, it's the society wants. Society is not going to get married with you. So
Yes.
and when you feel ready, I don't feel ready yet to get married. So whenever you feel ready. And it's, having said that, I want to tell to all the girls out there, please, there is something that we all should strive in our lives is to be independent before we get married. I've heard a lot of people say, ఒక పెళ్లి పెళ్లి కొడుకు అంటారు కదా, మిస్టర్ పెళ్లి కొడుకు, కరెక్ట్.
Oh my god, fine.
సో పెళ్లి చూపులకి వెళ్తే వాళ్ళకి ఓ లిస్ట్ ఉంటుంది. అబ్బాయి మంచి ఆఫీస్ జాబ్ ఉండాలి, ఇంత బ్యాంక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉండాలి, ఈ ఆఫీస్ ఈ పర్సనల్ హౌస్ ఉండాలి, అంటే వితౌట్ లోన్, ఇది అదే అన్ని ఉంటాయి. అదే సేమ్ గర్ల్స్ కూడా ఉండాలని అంటున్నాను నేను. Make a house for yourself, get an independent job for yourself, then get married. Because marriage is definitely not not an investment. It's not a life saving system.
Yes.
And most marriages I have seen, they are definitely not life saving. They're life disasters. So.
Totally agree.
So, but yeah, I think just wait for the right person. Yeah, it'll come by. The person will come, and you'll feel ready then. So yeah.
Yes. Exactly, but the one point that I really loved among, there's a lot of people that have asked this question, but that's what made you special saying about this is, you get ready rather than expecting your guy having that. Nuvu sonta illu katko, nu sonta car teesko, nu sonta job petko, nu settle avvu, so that not just dad valle kaadu, nee valla kuda nee kids ki nu manchi inka better life ivvochu, valani inka manchi ivvochu, and you can fulfill your own dreams. It's not like sacrificing yourself.
Right.
Appreciate that. So girls, be on it, be that way, and it'll happen. It will not happen also, it will not happen. You're happy with yourself.
That's not the end of it all, is what I'm saying.
Exactly.
It's a part of your life, and so many people out there we know are not really excited to be married.
Isha, aren't we like talking to ourselves?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is a live. Sorry.
Yes, it's like, I love your point. Like, what am I saying? Like, yes, we both are like going on the same road. We are on the same track. I got it.
Yeah. Sorry. This happens with me all the time. I'm like, in lives I forget that this is a live, and I'm like a personal chat is happening.
Goes on. Count me in too about it. Okay, let's move on to another topic now. So I also got to know that you are like, diet conscious person, that you're conscious of what am I eating, and
Yeah, conscious eating. Yeah,
conscious eating, like, what am I putting in, what is it doing to my body, things and all. So this kind of lockdown time, those people are not a lot of working outside, no body work, like they're like all jobless. So any particular foods that you could mak suggest cheyagaltara, any diet plans?
ఏం లేదు, ఇప్పుడు ఇంట్లో ఇంటి ఫుడ్ తింటున్నారు కదా అందరూ. That is the best food. నేను యాక్చువల్లీ ఆయుర్వేద స్టార్ట్ చేశాను almost a year ago. That kind of changed my life.
Another thing, when I can meet you also, I can Ayurveda.
Yeah, I can do a consultation also for you, Neha. I did a proper course in it. I can do a consultation. This can be my alternate career also. So yeah, eat healthy food. I would only say that eat proportionate meal. That is what is very important. What a disaster we do every morning is we eat carbs, and carbs tinkodu early morning. First thing, protein ellali.
Okay.
So మనం generally carbs తింటాం. We eating breakfast లో bread తింటాం, ఇడ్లీ తింటాం, ఇంకేం తింటాం బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ లో,
ఇడ్లీ, దోస, పూరి, వడ,
ఆల్ కార్బ్స్. అది లంచ్ లో తినొచ్చు పర్లేదు, బట్ మార్నింగ్ ప్రోటీన్ కి వెళ్ళాలి. అదర్వైజ్ ఈట్ ఎగ్స్ విత్ యువర్ ఇడ్లీ, బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇట్ అవుట్ విత్ ప్రోటీన్.
What is all you need?
Okay, then have a kadhai of sambar with your 2 idlis.
The rest of the day I'll be sitting in the bathroom only. If I have a kadhai full of no, but in place of those carbs, what Meeran suggested, what do you suggest to have in the breakfast?
So I generally, my breakfast is morning. I'm a vegetarian, but I'm an eggitarian. So eggs is something that I eat at least 3-4 days in a week. తర్వాత మనం మూంగ్ దాల్ చిల్లా తినొచ్చు, పెసరట్టు తినొచ్చు. That's a lot of protein. తర్వాత బేసన్ ఐడియా ఉందా మీకు? శనగపిండి.
శనగపిండి.
సో బేసన్ डोसा చేసి తినొచ్చు. बस प्रोटीन में इतने ऑप्शंस है.
You can have ragi dosa.
Yeah, ragi you can have.
Ragi idli, quinoa upma.
Quinoa is also not so much protein actually, but yeah, you can. So you can also. So you should balance your diet out with equal portions of protein, carbs, fiber, and a cooked green vegetable. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇడ్లీ సాంబార్ తింటున్నాం అంటే 2 bowls of sambar and 2 idlis. Okay, but fiber किधर से आएगा?
Yeah.
So salad add चेयाली.
Salad. Okay.
You can have a smoothie or a green juice.
Yeah, juice is a good thing in the mornings.
Yeah.
Okay, settle. Akkadki settle అయిపోయింది. Okay. So and yes, let's move on to another question which you just add on that, Ayurvedam counseling kuda start చేస్తున్నారు అన్నారు. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు నా లిస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ చదివితే 1 minute అవుతుంది మీ ఆక్యుపేషన్స్ అన్ని నేను చదివితే. సో వాట్ నెక్స్ట్? ఏంటి అసలు నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేం చేసే ప్లాన్స్ లో ఉంది ఈషా చావ్లా?
I really want to learn an instrument and I've taken to learning tabla. So yeah, that's next. I hope, but it says that while 6 months padtayi ani annaru. Minimum 6 months to set your hand. So 6 months tarvata malli live chesi tabla idi cheyaru.
You actually started it?
I've just started my classes. నేను యాక్చువల్లీ బాంబేలో ఉన్నాను, అప్పుడు తబలా ఆర్డర్ చేశా. అది లాక్డౌన్ లో రావడానికి చాలా టైం పడింది. తర్వాత నేను బాంబే నుంచి ఢిల్లీ వచ్చా, మళ్ళీ తబలా ఆర్డర్ చేశా.
ఇప్పుడు బాంబేలో ఒక తబలా ఉంది, ఢిల్లీలో ఒక తబలా ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చినప్పుడు
తబలా కలెక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ, కానీ పని ఏం అవ్వట్లేదు.
అన్ని తెచ్చి పెట్టుకుంటున్నాం. ఇట్స్ నాట్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్.
నేను తబలా మ్యూజియం డెఫినెట్ గా ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను. తబలా మ్యూజియం 100% ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. నేను తబలా ప్లేయర్ అయినా పర్లేదు.
Okay, that's nice. So let's take this few questions that like random girl stuff that ఏదైనా ఈషా చావ్లాకి ఏదైనా అబ్సెషన్ అంటే క్లీనింగ్ అబ్సెషన్ అది కాకుండా కలెక్షన్ అబ్సెషన్స్ ఉన్నాయా? లైక్
So not really. I'm not a very attached person, but once upon a time Ganesha collect cheyadan obsession naku unde. So I still have I can't show it to you right now, but I'll post it on Instagram. I still have a little bit of it left in my bedroom here in mom dad's house. So Ganesha idols collect cheyadaniki idi obsession vachindi ento telidu.
Oh my god, that's really nice. We're waiting for that post. Please let us.
I'll do that.
Yes.
I'll do that.
Yeah. And at what kind of situations and ఎటువంటి situations లో ఈషా చావ్లా తనకి తను మాట్లాడుకుంటది, hey, what are you thinking, what are you doing, don't do it like that. సో అట్లాగే ఎప్పుడైనా ఎటువంటి situations లో?
All the time. మీరు చూసారా ఇప్పుడు కూడా నేను నాతోనే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. I think I'm quite a I don't know, I'm खुद से बहुत खुश हूं मैं. So I'm always talking to myself. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు అసలు, what were you thinking, ఇది ఎందుకు చేసావు, సరే పర్లేదు. But I always tell myself పర్లేదు అయిపోయిందిగా, move on.
Keep talking to yourself, you keep motivating yourself.
Yeah, I think that's the way it should be, right? Because there are a lot of people out there who are there to put you down, but there are very few people out there to motivate you. So do that to yourself.
Correct, absolutely. And you must be having industry lo unna friends evaraina inka touch lo unnara that meer work chesinappudu, people and all, you're really very much in contact?
I'm in touch with everyone. Once a friend, they can't run away. I'm an obsessive friend also.
Really?
So even if I don't talk to people, I know that oka call cheste vallu untaru akkada ante. So I'm in touch with all my friends from the industry. Strangely enough, I have more music director friends than actor friends. So yeah, I don't know.
సింగింగ్ ఏమో పాడితే నువ్వు పారిపోతావు నేహ అన్నట్టు మాట్లాడారు ఇందాకే. ఇప్పుడేమో ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరు మ్యూజిషియన్స్, మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్స్ అంటే ఏం జరుగుతుంది?
అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ లైవ్ లో ఉన్న అందరికి సినిమా ఇష్టమే కదండి,
అవును.
బట్ ఆల్ కెన్ నాట్ యాక్ట్ నా.
ఓ మ్యూజిక్ అంటే ఇష్టం, మ్యూజిక్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, సో ఈషా లైఫ్ లో ఉన్న that first 3 friends, I mean whom we know, industry knows that we knew that 3 friends that whom you can call right away and just like, I just call you chumma like that, ఊరికే కాల్ చేసా అని కాల్ చేసే ఫ్రెండ్.
Anoop is one for sure.
Anoop Rubens.
Yeah. We actually call chumma call chesa like that only we call. We never call for any. There is never a matter to talk.
Okay.
So Anoop is definitely one. Sunil Garu is second. Although he's quite a shy talker, but yeah, he's second.
Trust me, I didn't expect this because I heard me one of your interviews lone first movie మీ ఇద్దరు అసలు మాట్లాడుకోలేదంట కదా, not even a word exchange.
I always crack this joke. అసలు ఆయనతో మాట్లాడడానికి ఇంకో సినిమా చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది నాకు. ఫస్ట్ సినిమాలో మాట్లాడలేదు కాబట్టి ఇంకో సినిమా ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం.
Oh my god. Okay.
So yeah, but he's very reserved. అంటే మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేశారు సునీల్ గారికి లేదా తెలియదు నాకు, బట్ I don't know, he's very shy na. I don't know how he talks in interviews. I haven't seen many of his interviews. కానీ ఆయన బట్ ఒకసారి సెట్స్ లో అయితే ఆయన చాలా సరదాగా ఉంటారు, జోక్స్ వేస్తూ ఉంటారు, బట్ హీరోయిన్స్ తో మాట్లాడరు. ఫర్ దాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ 2 films to get talking to him.
సో ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఎవరైనా యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నా సునీల్ గారితో మాట్లాడాలంటే రెండో సినిమా చేయాల్సిందే. ఓకే, గుడ్. సో అనూప్ రూబెన్స్, అనూప్ గారు, సునీల్ గారు, ఇంకొకళ్ళు
ఆర్పి
పట్నాయక్ గారు. ఈషా మిమ్మల్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేసిన దగ్గర నుంచి ట్రస్ట్ మీ, ఐ విల్ పుట్ ద సౌండ్స్ లైక్ చాప్ చాప్ చాప్. ఏంటి అర్థం కావట్లేదు నాకు, ఒక లైన్ లో వెళ్ళట్లేదు కాన్సెప్ట్, ఒక ఫ్లో లో గోయింగ్ లైక్ దాట్.
I know it's bizarre, but yeah, that is how it is.
Singers kuda shock avtaru. RP Patnaik garu chumma talk, no way.
I know. But he's also, so I don't mean, actually Anoop is the absolute chumma talk, aise are kya chal raha hai aise, and then we're cracking random lame jokes in life. There is nothing happening in life, but we are laughing about nothingness. But yeah, Sunil Garu is quite an intense talker. If you have a point, you have to talk to him.
సునీల్ గారి కాల్ చేయాలన్నా కానీ ఓకే, నా దగ్గర పాయింట్ ఉందా లేదా, ఈ లాజిక్ ఉందా లేదా, ఈ డిస్కషన్ మీద ఒక నాలెడ్జ్ ఉందా లేదా, ఓకే దెన్ కాల్.
అంటే very wisdomful talks will happen there.
Wisdomful.
Too much wisdom comes with jokes. Okay. And RP is actually not much of a talker, so but he's a friend that I can call at any point of time.
Okay. Get it. That's really nice. And you know, do you have last 5 minutes we have? So in that 5 minutes, you just go for short answers and all. Is there any hero that you wanted to act next to, that you know in your list that you want to act with this hero?
Prabhas and Nagarjuna sir. I don't know what this fetish is, but yeah.
Nagarjuna garu and Prabhas garu.
Prabhas, yeah.
Okay. One actress that inspired you.
I think it's out there. Sridevi Garu is the goddess of all, and she's something I really adore and love, and I've followed her, and I still get really it's another sort of bond. I can't explain this, and I feel there is something that I learned with her passing away, is that you shouldn't wait for any moment in life. There were so many times we crossed paths, and నేను ఎప్పుడు ఆవిడ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి నేను మీ ఫ్యాన్ అని చెప్పలేదు, ఎందుకంటే ఆవిడ అంటే ఆ స్టార్ రేంజ్ కి ఫ్యాన్ కూడా రేంజ్ ఉండాలని ఫీల్ అయిపోయి, how can I just go and tell her that I'm your fan? And I never did that, and I feel that is one regret that I have in life, and it's never going to go away. But yeah, that is something that I learned, that never miss a moment in your life that you have. So yeah,
Oh,
Sridevi Garu is the eternal. There was no one before. There will be no one after.
absolutely true. Beautifully said. Absolutely. Yes. Any particular director that you wanted to work under direction? In a direction lo nenu oka cinema cheyali.
I want to work with Puri sir once.
Puri
I hope Puri
Jagannathan
sir
garu.
is. Yeah, I hope he's
Ah,
listening. I love the way he puts the characters out there. His characters are so, they're not the usual. He really works on his characters. I love it. So yeah, Puri sir.
oh my God. Okay, waiting for that. We hope so. Let this combination.
Imagine Puri sir, Prabhas, and me. You're not being able to imagine, na? Neha, I can see
No,
that.
no,
It's
no, no.
okay.
Poster designing చేస్తున్నాను నేను.
Okay.
Okay. So, you've done, you worked with a lot of amazing people, amazing actors and all. So, me opinion, in your words, if by your experience, oka actress ki undalsina qualities enti? Because this generation, this field right now is every day a new heroine is coming. So, just in
Right,
your words.
right. So I think to be a great actor, actress or actor, I'm saying, as an artist, to be a great artist, you have to be a great person first. So అంటే
Great.
టు డెవలప్ దట్ కంపాషన్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అప్పుడే నేను మీరు ఏం ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారని అర్థం
Yes.
చేసుకోగలుగుతాను. యా,
Correct.
ఐ నీడ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ మై తెలుగు.
Clear. Yes. So last 1 minute 20 seconds we have in this before we end, before we say bye, because you also have a good touch with music and music directors, good nice fans you have. What is your call on independent music right now in our industry? Because Telugu just started and Madurai is supporting it. So independent music, need my opinion.
Right. I think it's fab because there's so much talent out there, Neha. It's gorgeous. Only thing that bothers me is the viewership and the number of likes decide what is good
Yes.
music. I wish I was so talented that I could review music and put it out there that this is good music, listen to this. But
Yes.
I hope someone does that, and because there's so much great music out there which is
Yes.
not reaching the audiences. And I'm glad that you guys are doing that, that independent artists are being able to portray themselves out there. So it's beautiful, and I hope that, and I really believe that, the ones who are good, they will shine through some way
Time
or
to.
the other.
Yes.
So it's just perseverance is something that you have to keep at.
Yes,
So, yeah.
Madhura is on it already. Yes, and before we said like 15 seconds to go, thank you so much, Isha. It's lovely talking to you. It was not like an interview at all. It was like a great talk. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Neha. Lovely talking to you.
Yes, same here.